Welcome to part 2 of your best holiday with a newborn baby. Today I'm going to address how to tackle the disruptions in those ever important routines I talked about in part 1. The holidays are filled with excitement and joyful chaos. These changes in routine can sometimes take a toll on your baby's sleep patterns. And here's what you can do to minimize disruptions to your little one's sleep. The holidays are fast approaching and you'll be attending family gatherings, or planning special outings, perhaps even taking on some travel. By gradually adjusting your baby's sleep schedule ahead of time, you can mitigate the impact of these changes. Slowly shifting bedtime or nap times over a few days allows your baby to adjust without feeling overwhelmed. And while it's tempting to have a relaxed approach to waking up during the holidays, maintaining a consistent wake-up time is crucial. A regular wake-up time helps regulate your baby's internal clock, and it makes it easier for them to fall asleep and wake up at consistent times. Don't forget the importance of daytime sleep. Holidays can throw your schedule off balance, but ensuring your baby gets sufficient rest during the day is how you manage overtiredness. And overtiredness can lead to sleep disturbances throughout the rest of the day or week. So prioritize daytime naps, even during the festive season. As a parent myself, I understand the importance of a well-rested little one and how it impacts our well-being as parents. I recall many long, eventful visits with grandparents where they insisted that our babies would sleep great that night because of all the stimulation they had during the day. Not true, my friend. If you have not already experienced this, perhaps at Thanksgiving, well, you will soon learn that it is quite the opposite. So here's a few more practical tips to address common sleep disruptions and ensure your baby's getting a restful night's sleep. Number 1, navigate time zone changes. Traveling across time zones can result in a confused circadian rhythm for your baby. So adjust your baby's sleep schedule gradually a few days before traveling. Expose them to natural light at the destination to help reset their internal clock. And stick to local time for feeding and sleep schedules to aid the adjustment process. Number 2, minimize disruptions in new environments. Sleeping in an unfamiliar place can be unsettling for babies. Bring along familiar items such as bedding and comfort objects to create a sense of continuity. Use towels or blankets on windows to mimic the darkness of their usual sleep environment. And stick to established bedtime routines to signal that it's time for sleep. Now, teething discomfort can also disrupt sleep patterns during the holidays and every day. So pack teething toys and soothing remedies to alleviate the discomfort if that comes up. Managing stimulating environments. Holidays can really lead to sensory overload, right? Family gatherings and holiday celebrations are filled with excitement and new experiences. So here's how you can manage stimulating environments while ensuring your baby's sleep remains undisturbed. So imagine this, you're at a family gathering surrounded by laughter, music, kids running around, dogs barking, lights, and smells everywhere. You want to create a space where your baby can feel cozy in a corner with a familiar blanket or a portable travel crib that provides the little one with a familiar sleep environment. If your baby's old enough, pack familiar comfort items from home, such as a favorite blanket or a stuffed toy. These items provide a sense of security and familiarity, making it easier for your baby to settle down for sleep even in unfamiliar surroundings. Consider using a baby carrier or a rack during festive activities. Keeping your baby close and secure allows them to feel connected to you while also providing the opportunity to rest. Your little one can comfortably sleep while you enjoy the festivities without worry. This can also be quite useful tool in keeping well-meaning party guests from passing your baby around all day long. Pay attention to your baby's cues and schedule breaks during festivities to allow for quiet time. As I mentioned in the previous video, create a calm pre-sleep routine to help your baby wind down. Next, you want to combat illness. Winter holidays coincide with flu and the increased risk of illness. Practice good hygiene, including frequent hand washing to minimize the risk of illness. Limit the baby passing around. Maintain a comfortable sleep environment with proper ventilation. If your baby falls ill, prioritize rest and consult your pediatrician. Successfully navigating sleep disruptions during the holiday season involves proactive planning and a commitment to maintaining consistency. By prioritizing your baby's needs, implementing these practical tips, you can ensure that the holidays will be enjoyable for your entire family.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell